Greetings, my friends. I'm Nick. I'm a second generation carpenter, and today I want to show you how we use the sandpaper to process wood and in woodworking generally. And I will show you how I do it with my hands and how I do it with some of my machines. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you enjoy it, like it and subscribe. First of all, let me tell you this. When we have a wood, it always has some veins, you know, some lines that are going forward. And we always want to use the sandpaper in this way. We never do it this way, because if you see, it does lines that we don't want to happen, because when we paint it, it will be it will be not a good outcome, and the furniture will not be as good as it could be if we knew that. We do it this way. We always use the sandpaper with our hands in this way. If you want, you can use gloves, because the sandpaper sands the wood surface, but it also in the time it also sands your fingers too, and it will be painful for you if you do it, if you use the sandpaper for too long. Secondly, you cannot do everything with sandpaper in a wood surface. If it's too bad and not so smooth and ready for the sandpaper, you must use files, rasps, and sometimes wood scrapers if you want to do it by hand. This is the way, and this is what you have to do if the wood surface is too rough. I will show you a demonstration. As we see in this walnut, the lines goes like this, so I can work with the sandpaper like this. And I will work the wood scraper, which is this too, like this as well, not forward on the wood lines, on the wood veins. But the files and the rasp, it's okay, you can use it as you like. Let's see. If you use the sandpaper only, it will take ages to finish, and the outcome will not be as good as I will show you like this. Now, right now, I will use the rasp first, because I'm a good boy. This is the way. You want to have a smooth surface, so you use your hand and see if you have anomalies. If it's not smooth, you need to work more to make it smooth. You go forward to break the waves of the wood and make it smooth. You use your hand. The carpenter always uses his hands to see his wood if it's smooth and nice. So we work like this. Yeah. It's nice, we like it. Your hand might be heavy at first. You might hurt. You will wear gloves if you hurt. Okay, wear your gloves. My hands are rough because I work many years, and I'm not. I don't paint. I don't have paint. But you have to wear gloves because your hands will hurt with the rasp. After that, you will use the file. The wood would make less lines. The rasp has long teeth. The file have smaller teeth. So you make it smoother with the file, and after that, you will use the wood scraper. The wood scraper needs water to work better. So you wet your wood, you take the wood scraper, you need to make it like this a bit, so it will cut better. And you go always with the veins of the wood. Yes, my young apprentice, yes. Okay, Daniel's son. Okay, and what we have now, we have a smooth surface. Check it out, how it was and how it is now. You have a smooth surface and it's ready for the sandpaper. It's ready for the sandpaper to work. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Drive me crazy. Ideally, we want, because we wet the wood for the wood scraper, we want our surface to be dry before the sandpaper. Okay. You work like this, not like this, Daniel, like this. Okay. Work like this, and we like it. Okay, wear your gloves if you like. You better wear them though. You better wear the gloves. And after I use number 80, and after that I use number 120 or 150. Okay? This is how we like it. Okay? This is how we want it. And what we have is a smooth and nice surface of Greek walnut. Check it out how it was and how it is now. It's perfect, right? Yeah, I like it. Now, if you like my video, please like and subscribe. Share it to your friends. Use the bell for incoming videos in the future. And show some love, please. Ideally, I encourage you to use your hands to work. My father always say, if you use your hands in woodworking and you know to use hand tools perfectly, you're a good woodworker, a good carpenter. But because we live in the future, we have many other tools that use electricity, batteries, and do good work, okay? But I want always to finish your construction with your hands. A good sandpaper woodworking with your hands in the wood lines make the surface so smooth and so perfect. And you will be happy at the end. Let us see now how some of power tools work with sandpaper, just to have this in mind too. Okay, these are some power tools with sandpaper that I use for my constructions in my woodworking workshop. This kind rotates and have vibrations. This too But check it out, this one is smaller, the other one is bigger. This one can be used with one hand. This one needs two because it's bigger and has more vibrations. This has only vibrations. Okay, it's some older technology. This has only vibrations too. And this one only rotates. So if you keep that in mind, this has vibrations, this one rotates, and the newest do them both. So it's better. Okay, if you want a good sander for surface, you take this one. This is the newest. Because I'm more experienced, I can use them all depending the thing that I'm building, I'm creating, you know. But for an amateur, I will always recommend the newest ones. Okay, let's see how they work, and a small demonstration. Okay, for each one. I don't want to make this video so big that it will make you bored. You know, we will see a small demo. Okay, let's see the first one that rotates and vibrates too. This is the exhaust. If you want, you can use the bag or just a vacuum cleaner. Okay. This is the most advanced sander, okay, and it works very fast and makes your surface very good. Here is the exhaust. We have the bag installed in the small one, so check it out. Rotates and vibrates. Okay, great. You have to excuse my English, it's not my mother language, but I wanted to make this video to share it with more viewers around the globe and to see if you like it, you know. This is the older one, big size. This is more heavy, more difficult to work. You always need to use both of your hands, because if you use only one, it will make you tired fast. Sander with only vibration, a small one. You can very easily use your one hand here. Okay, the oldest is my most favorite one, because with this it's not for finishing, a sander for not finishing, but with this you can shape the wood. Let me show you how. Let's see. The sandpaper do very good work here. Let's see. Like this. Great. Then I have this machine over here. It has a sandpaper adjusted here and it rotates like a tank. Okay, this is how this machine works. It's bigger from the power tool, but not so big. Okay, let's see another one. Then we have this machine. It has sandpaper on the disc. Okay, adjusted on the disc, and it rotates like this. You can adjust this here. And you can create many things. The woodworkers and the carpenters work is so creative that you can do many things that you can imagine on your wall. So you can adjust your tools accordingly. This requires experience though. So I'm showing you a few things that I know, but it's mostly a demonstration to meet the tools and a bit the way that they work. Okay, these are the things that I wanted you to know, and there were a few things, many power tools, many machines, but it was just a demo. I show you a bit how they work. I presented you a bit. I will show you how to work the sandpaper with your hands, and if you like my video, like it, share it, subscribe. I am Nick, a second generation carpenter, a Greek carpenter, so my English are not so good, I'm sorry, but I hope you enjoy my video. After all, it's mostly handwork and presentation, not so much speech, but thank you very much. Hope you enjoy it. Have a nice day.